tell that man that he's a window licker. I ain't gonna say that. I ain't gonna say, especially if he's licking from the outside. As cold as it is up there, boy, they get their tongue stuck under somebody's windshield and their tongue will look like a whale's tongue by the time they get home. Catch you later, Mr. Reeves. Do not arrest me, and I didn't. I obeyed the law the whole time. I didn't cuss. I didn't even jaywalk. But I will be looking for that water-cooled coax there. 410. Copy your phone. Hey, I ain't gonna be wearing no phone. That UFO killer's still trying to fit his copy and jockstrap over his chin.
That's Prime Minister. He was in there with the bass earlier. Sounding real good. Skip running on the bowl. It's not too often that we get Prime Minister up here in Detroit.
First person keyed on you today was 6. He said you made him think of something. Hey, I ain't gonna wear no copy of phone. That copy of UFO killer still trying to figure out how you gonna fit that copy and jockstrap over his chin so he can do the chin knot gang. Hey, 5-4. That copy of UFO killer's gonna try to fit a jockstrap around his chin.
They hit me with about 30 dB earlier. Sounds good. And just the Tram 2A. And he'd sound even better on the TR-27 up there.
Don't even move. I laugh at that stuff. I like the complete station. That cat me up there with that quad, you down there with that water-cooled coax.
People talk about, the overmodded, bowl, and everybody sound like trash. I think a lot of that is the radio you listening on. Fireball, another bad boy. Anyway, I didn't even fire up the camera because of that. So let's turn that down. Almost done with this Black Cat JB-2000. That's the caps in it. All neat with, I think 2 jumpers instead of the 10 or 12 or however many was in it earlier, right? This here is the metering resistors. I mentioned that earlier, but I just put some heat shrink over it to give them a little bit of support and protection, and to try to keep that high voltage from them or off of them from getting to where it shouldn't be. Surge resistor. But the reason I did it today is just going to be quick is that turn on relay. If I can zoom in, that's the contacts of it on one side. And then that's the contacts of it on the other side. So it never get a good solid connection every time. So we're going to clean these. Relays are a big problem in high-powered amplifiers. They just can't handle the power. They get dirty, they arc, they pit, and then they don't get good connections, get intermittent, and then worse, they go open, not getting contact. So anyway, that's all this one's about, is clean your relays. I'm going to burnish it, and if it don't come out, I get a soft wire brush Dremel and do it lightly. Some relays have like gold plated contacts or silver plating, and you hit them too hard, with a hard wire brush or the Dremel on the brush is too hard or you hit it too strong, you take the plating off, and that'll cause it to have issues too. Anyway, that's it for this one. Clean your relays. Bye.